Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to get the file created, modification and access, the last access time, date and time of the file in Python. So let's start the tutorial. When I click enter and notice here the file name is file1.txt. The file created date is Thursday, February 23rd, Thursday 23 February 2023. See the same information. We got the last modified date Friday 3rd March, Friday 3rd March 10:46, and the last access date is Monday March, which is today, March 20th March 2023.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which is a Python tutorials. And here we got the Python tutorials folder is added. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder, I will create a new file called file create modification and access.py. And here we got the newly created file is open, which is a file cma.py. Now my aim is get the created modification and access of a last time access of a file with date and time. So first what I'll do is we require one file here. Notice here the file1.txt file. And now my aim is I want to get this file1, the created date, last date of the modification, and also I want to get the last time access of this file. The three information I want to get. So first we require file name here. File underscore name is equals to, which is a file1.txt. After that, when we are dealing with here I am dealing with files and date and time, so I need to import some modules here. First let's import OS for the files, and time. I'm adding the time module also. Then first I want to add the created file is equals to time.ctime method. This ctime method is converted into seconds. What are the path they are giving? os.path dot get created time. In this created time I am adding the file name, file underscore name. Now if you see here, we'll get the get ctime is created time of this file, which is a file1.txt file. Now m file is the modified file. Instead of writing the same thing, just copy this one and paste here. Just I'm changing the function name, get ctime. Instead of ctime I am adding mtime. Mtime is get mtime, last modification time of a file, of this file of the last modification, which is a file1.txt. Then the last one is access the file is equals to, let's copy this one, the same thing. Instead of get ctm, atm is a method. Get atm is a method which takes the file name. It returns the last access time of the file, of this file. That's it. Now I want to print the file name is file underscore name. Then print the file created date. The file created date is c underscore file. This variable I am adding here. copy this one, and the file modified date is m underscore file. Now the last one, the file accessed, the last time access date is a underscore file. That's it, we have done the complete coding part. Now let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Now the command is py filecma.py. Now before enter this command, let's check the file1.txt file to check the created modification and the last time access of this file. Go to Windows Explorer. I have created the file on the desktop. The folder name is a Python-tutorials. In this Python-tutorials is a file1. This is the file1. Let's right click the mouse, go to properties. And this file1 created date is Thursday 23. Let's check the created, modified and access time will get this information or not. When I click enter, and notice here the file name is file1.txt. The file created date is Thursday, February 23rd, February 2023. See the same information. We got the last modified date, Friday 3rd March. 10:46, and the last access date is Monday, March, which is today, 20th March 2023. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to get the file created and modification date and time, and also when the last time access the file information with the date and time in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.